Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download any files faster on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, to do this, you mainly need to follow two steps. The first one is just go to your search bar and search for CMD, then just open up CMD. Then here, just type ipconfig, that is ipconfig, and space /all and hit enter. And from here, you're gonna find your IPv4 address. Just select it and Control C. Just click on Control C and it's gonna copy this. And after that, just close this. Then hit Control R or just right click on your start button and click on Run. From here, type ping, then type this sign, then put your IPv4 address and put this sign. Then hit a space and then type -T and hit OK. This is gonna open up your CMD a bunch of time and ping the address for you. That's all. And after that, what you need to do is you need to get a better DNS. To do that, what you need to do is just go to your search and search for settings and open up settings. And from here, just go to network and internet. And from network and internet, go to change adapter options. And from here, just right click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're using. Just right click on it, click on properties. After that, just click on Internet Protocol version 4, which is also IPv4, and click on properties from here. Then just go to the use the following DNS server. You can find different kind of DNS servers on Google. And I'm just gonna use the Cloudflare one, which is 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS. And the alternative is gonna be 1.0.0.1. Hit on OK, then click on OK again, click on refresh, and then just go ahead and restart your system. And basically that is how to download any file faster on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.